Welcome back to my studio, everyone. Today I'm creating a dynamic abstract oil painting of one of my very favorite subjects, a horse in full gallop charging directly towards us. In this demonstration, I'm going to be using brushwork and palette knife work to apply the oil paint. And as you can see, I've already established the base colors. So I'm going to jump right into some of my painting techniques. I begin by loosely establishing the major shapes and values. At this stage, I'm not too worried about perfection. My focus is on creating movement and giving the horse a powerful presence from the very beginning. As I continue painting, I do build up the layers of rich blues and greens and the gray tones. These values help frame the horse and help create a quieter background, and at the same time help suggest speed and motion. I love laying down the color and really letting it speak for itself, and at the same time overlap and blend naturally because they do create unexpected textures that bring life to the painting. And even though this is an abstract painting, I always pay special attention to the eye because I still want the eye to read with life and energy. As I continue refining the horse's face and the eyes, I really want this to become an emotional connection for the viewer. Even in a highly expressive painting like this, the eyes often become the heart of the artwork. Some passages I create using brushes. This allows me to soften the edges and create flowing transitions. Other areas I create using a palette knife, applying thick impasto paint. This adds texture and catches the light. The bold knife strokes help communicate the raw power and movement of the horse as it races forward. Throughout the process, I'm constantly stepping back to judge the overall balance of colors, the shapes, and the movement. It's amazing how a few carefully placed strokes can completely change the energy of the painting. One of my favorite parts in painting like this is allowing instinct to guide me. Instead of controlling every mark, I try to respond to what the painting is asking for. Sometimes a single, unexpected brushstroke creates exactly the feeling I was searching for. The red and orange tones I'm adding, they create warmth and visual excitement and naturally draw your eye throughout the composition. I like using these warm colors a little bit sparingly so that they don't overpower the painting, but also they add bursts of energy flowing throughout the horse. I hope this video encourages you to paint with more confidence, trust your own creative instincts, don't be afraid to experiment with bold color, expressive brushwork, and palette knife textures. Some of the most exciting discoveries happen when we let go of perfection and simply enjoy creating. And remember, every painting is another opportunity to grow, express yourself, and add a little more beauty to this world.